Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set full year method. So what it does, it sets the full year of a specified date according to your local time. And returns the new timestamp. So what I'm gonna do is uh, use the var and create a event, not invent but event, and equals to the new operator. Use the new operator and date, and inside it use any day, something like August 1975 and um uh 23, man. 23. What the heck, man? What I'm doing? Yeah, 23 15 30. It's the JavaScript launch date, and use event dot set full year and set full year, and after what we're gonna do is 1969. When we do that and log it on a console, the event dot get full year, it's the method which go hands in hand with the set full year, so we can get the year as as the name suggests. So get full year and use that function. And now what we're gonna do is we will get the year 1969. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.